Where'd you go?
What?
Where'd you go? Oh, hey.
Alright.
It seems as if you need some food. Well, I guess I was wrong.
You seem a bit hungry. Nibbles on steak. Oh, goodness.
This is like nom 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 nom.
Mine.
Slash Invisi.
They spelled Invisi wrong. I hope you know that.
Yeah, that's what I thought. MVP is $3.
MVP is $3.
Yeah.
It's not that bad. I mean,
With the summer sale.
oh.
Which they give you like a code at the beginning of the map. So, how's that mining going?
Pretty good.
Butter apples. Okay, random conversation, go.
Pickles. They're so lumpy.
The fuck? Okay. Pickles are actually pretty good. Eh. You like pickles?
They're okay. I mean, I don't like them out of the jar. I'll eat them on a burger, but I don't like them out of the jar.
Oh, I like them out of the jar, man. Guess I'm just weird like that.
Fiend.
Remember that one episode where pickles were souls?
Pickles were souls?
Yeah, on SpongeBob.
What?
You don't remember that?
That sounds so scary.
Well, like,
when was this?
It was like when Mr. Krabs was trying to tell SpongeBob that the Davy Jones stole souls and like and he was like representing souls as pickles.
No.
You don't remember that episode? Yeah, it was weird. Larva. Did I just hear a silverfish? Oh, there is larva. Okay, not anymore. Oh, more larva.
Larva as in silverfish or larva as in lava?
Lava. Mining with the spade. Just found me some butter. MVP is $17 without the summer sale. Elite is $21.
And one of them's gonna be like 1,000. It's not really any purpose. Except for like you get these cool commands, but
Hey dude, Spooky boobs! Hey. Butt face. The fuck XP are you picking up? Oh.
that's you picking it up.
No, that's you.
I haven't
No, it's you, man. Yeah, this is me. Because I found diamonds. Dean,
Hmm.
what are we doing with our lives?
I don't know. I just try and find entertainment, and this is my entertainment.
You make a good point.
Not really much else to do.
Ow, you mother fucking zombie. Wow, I'm lagging. Okay.
Damn, you are lagging.
Oh, you butt.
Hola. Skeleton.
Have fun.
Two of them.
I hate skeletons. Smarty pants. Doop, doop, doop.
We are a team, and we do this together.
What if I don't wanna? Apparently no one can random TP.
I mean, just like TP your name, then
I don't know.
my name. No, it's like UTP, hit TP, you do slash TP,
Yeah, I know, that's the one where you can do it without asking.
and
Oh my larva.
larva.
Dude, come look at all this larva. It's a good thing we did it above this level of larva, though. Just cover it all up. Can you hear how much larva this is?
No.
Just Jesus. I hate larva.
Don't worry, I got more lava over here.
Yeah, but my lava is gonna be easier to deal with. What about yours?
And I can't reach the bottom of just this one.
Come over here.
Oh god, this goes out more. It's pretty deep.
Dude, come to me.
Why?
Just come here.
Where are you?
Hey.
Oh wait, spider.
Can't mine obsidian, right?
I don't know.
Oh, you can.
They lied to us.
What fucking lie? Oh shit, it's dark. Awkward science.